Let's talk about male drivers are suing Uber and Lyft for discrimination.
They are. They are. And I'm not in the class action yet. This is a class action. This is in California, folks. As you guys know, Uber and Lyft now allow female rider to female driver matching and vice versa. In fact, there is a toggle switch in the app that you can just require a female driver to pick you up if you're a rider. But then we talked about this few months ago, and a lot of comments were like, well, male drivers are going to get hurt because, by the way, 50+% of the ridership on Uber and Lyft are female. However, the problem is there is not enough female drivers, specifically in the drunk hours. That number drops to single digits. Out of 100, it drops to like 7 to 9%. So, but we being in California, and very progressive that we are, male drivers for Uber and Lyft are suing the companies over a feature that lets users hail only women drivers. The dual class action suits allege that the functions which followed thousands of sexual harassment and assault lawsuits against Uber and Lyft over the years have limited the economic opportunities for men and discriminated against them because of their gender. What say you to this? California has some of the nation's strongest anti-discrimination laws. The lawsuit accuses both Uber and Lyft of violating the UNRRA Act, a California civil rights law that expressly prohibits sex discrimination by business enterprises. They are seeking $4,000 in damages per male driver in California for violating state law. What say you, folks? I think I'm just going to join. I may get $4,000. I mean, look, I think I like the female to female matching because I've seen the numbers. Male drivers are not going to lose any business, okay? Because there's not enough female drivers. But
I think it's more about the law firm that is representing is probably like, oh yes, I want the taste of that Uber cash.
I'm going to join. Steph says, you're female. You can't join. You're not male. I have a cold, by the way. Hold on, let me cough.
Either way.
I've had a cold. So anyway, yeah, we're suing Uber and Lyft, male drivers. So please do not bombard me with emails. Send me the link. What law firm? I don't know. However, if I do know and get a hold of it, I will put it on the community page of the YouTube channel with their link so you guys can go ahead and join the class action. Or I'm pretty sure you'll get something in the mail if you're an Uber and Lyft driver. So, male Uber and Lyft driver.
Possibly, if they're able to procure that, but who knows?
Hey everyone, Sergio here with the Rideshare Guide. What do we say on Show Me the Money Club? Work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, which I have been for the past year and a half, you may be working a lot harder than you need to. Let's change that. Download the app, link your account where you can manage your income, track your expenses, as well as your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more money, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download the Solo app today. Begin to work smarter, not harder. Link is in the description. Let's get back to it.
Yeah, I don't know. So what do you say about that? What do you think? It's fair? It's pretty fair.
Whatever.
Well, I mean, I think it's fair.
I mean, in actuality, during the whole thing, I don't know where Sergio just went, but
what the fuck just happened?
Oh, you're still there.
I don't see myself.
Yeah, your camera went out, I think. But I don't know. I don't think that men are going to really have any issue getting rides. But now he's gone. But either way, and then he's back. But I don't think
yeah, I'm gonna go out, come back in. You continue, sir.
All right. I don't know. I don't think there's a real issue there when it comes down to it. But you know, the amount of men versus women, there's not that much. I can understand a women's perspective where they're like, hey, Oh, there he is. Perfect. All right, you're back.
F Spectrum, F Uber,
I
F
think-
Lyft, F you all. Okay.
Spectrum and Uber are in bed with each other right now, and they're like,
Mother.
"Oh, he just got him off."
Anyway, no, man. I mean, I think it's fair, because it'd be like, what if like there's if there was the same thing. Okay, so here's the flip side. If there was a male only pickup, okay, male to male pickup, I bet you women would have sued, saying discrimination.
Oh, of course.
Okay, so it's fair. So there you go. So I'm
Yep.
like, all right.
Yep.
And,
All right, we'll see. We'll see what happens. We'll keep you posted. I think this needs to go to not just California, but I think this should go all across the United States, wherever women to women only is. So because I feel like I've been discriminated against as a man, and I feel like maybe I have lost business, and I should be compensated for that.
okay, well, I think I think we'll start in California and then we'll continue.
No.
No?
For the people who are watching with the law firm, yeah, California's good, but let's go federal. Come on, much bigger fish to fry.
For the law firm who's in charge of this, you guys can contact me. We'll get you some passengers, and we'll end up making some money probably. So actually, that's stupid of me, bro. I should have researched a little bit better and found out what law firm it was.
Yeah, what the heck?
Yeah,
Well,
man, we can Google it now.
Let's get a hold of this law firm and tell them we want not just California, but we want it across the entire U.S. Because I feel discriminated against all the women who are taking my rides. Because you know what? I turn on my app and I've been sitting there and waiting for rides. And then when a ride comes in, I get it at 362 for a 5-mile trip. And I'm like, no effing way.
Okay.
So yeah, it's eating into my stuff. Come on.
There, because I want to join the lawsuit. Okay, why don't you do the research? Okay, once in your lives, why don't you do the research yourselves and send it to me, saying this is the law firm doing the dual class action lawsuit. Go ahead, sir. Whoever you are, send it to me. Sergio at therideshareguy.com. So once I don't do it.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.